All right, let's just jump right in. Have you ever wanted to speak German but felt like you had no idea where to even begin? Well, good news. In the next few minutes, we're going to build your very first actual German conversation from scratch. All it takes is a handful of key phrases. You ready? Let's do this. So, let me start by asking you a question. What do you think is the single most important word for any beginner to learn in German? Now, it's probably not what you're thinking. It's not hello, it's not thank you. The answer is you. Weird, right? Well, it's because in German, there are two totally separate worlds of you. And this right here, this is the golden rule of German politeness. Seriously, this is everything. On one side, you've got du. Think of this as your casual, friendly you. It's for your friends, your family, people your own age. Then, on the other side, you have Sie. This is the formal, respectful you. You use this with strangers in any kind of professional setting or with anyone you'd call sir or ma'am. Getting this one thing right is the key to making a great first impression. Okay, so now that we have that crucial do and see rule in our toolkit, let's get practical. I mean, the first step in any conversation, no matter where you are in the world, is exchanging names, right? So let's see how our new rule comes into play immediately. It seems like the most basic question ever, but in German, you already have to make a choice. Are you at a casual party talking to a potential new friend? Or are you at a hotel front desk talking to the receptionist? How you answer that is going to shape the entire question you ask. And here's what that looks like in action. For that informal, friendly situation, you ask, Wie heißt du? Let's try that slowly. Wie heißt du? Now a little faster. Wie heißt du? See that du at the end? That's our clue. Now for the formal version, you'd say, Wie ist Ihr Name? One more time slowly, Wie ist Ihr Name? And at a natural speed, Wie ist Ihr Name? The key thing is, you just have to pick the one that fits the person you're talking to. Awesome. You've just asked for someone's name, either formally or informally. You're halfway there. Now it's your turn to give your name. And I've got good news for you. The answer is much, much simpler. You've got two fantastic options here, and you can use either one in any situation, formal or informal, it doesn't matter. First up, ich heiße, which basically means I am called. So for me, I'd say, ich heiße Alex. Your other choice is my name is, which you guessed it, is a direct match for my name is in English. Both are perfect, both are easy. Just pick the one that feels best to you. Excellent work. You have totally navigated the name exchange. So let's build on that success. What's the next logical step when you're getting to know someone? Well, of course, it's asking where they're from. And just like before, we're back in our two worlds. If you're talking to a friend, you're going to ask, woher kommst du? That means, where do you come from? And notice how the verb kommst goes with du. But in that formal setting, you'll ask, woher kommen Sie? See that? The verb just changes a little bit to kommen to match with Sie. It's a tiny detail, but it's a super important one. Now, before we actually answer that question, we need to add one more tiny piece to our vocabulary puzzle. It's this small but really powerful word, aus. It means from or out of. This is the essential little building block we need for our response. And here is exactly how you use it. The phrase is, ich komme aus, and then you just pop in your city or your country. So you could say, ich komme aus Canada, or ich komme aus New York. Go ahead and try it right now with your own hometown. Say it out loud. Ich komme aus. See? It's simple, it's universal, and it's always the right answer. You are doing great. You can now introduce yourself and ask where someone is from. But what happens if you're not just talking one-on-one? What if you're with a friend and you meet someone new? How do you ask about that third person? For that situation, you need this incredibly useful little phrase, wer ist das? All it means is, who is this? Or who is that? It's a really simple question you can use to ask about anyone you see or anyone who's just joined your conversation. And you know what the best part is? Wer ist das is basically a conversational cheat code. You don't have to worry about du or sie at all. It just works. Whether you're in a casual setting with your buddies or in a formal business meeting, it's the perfect all-purpose tool to have ready to go. So, let's just take a second and look at the powerful little toolkit we've just put together. I mean, think about it. You've got the questions to ask for a name and where someone's from in both the formal and informal ways. You've got the answers, and you've even got a phrase to ask about a third person. This is literally the complete foundation for your first real meeting in German. A few minutes ago, you started with 0, and now you are fully equipped with the absolute essentials. You are holding the keys to unlock a real conversation in German. So the only question that's left is, who are you going to talk to first?